Morning people, back for another hotel tour this morning, this time the Hyatt Place. We did one recently, didn't we, for the Hyatt House. This one is on the same plot as the Hyatt House, just across the road. There's another Hyatt Place in Fort Lauderdale. This one is the South End Cruise Port, which is it Darnia Beach, if that's how you pronounce it. You still get your 15 minutes for your parking when you're checking in. We'll just I'm going to go around and have a look at the car parking spaces at the back just before we go in through the lobby. But there's plenty of parking here. So the difference between this and the Hyatt House is that this is it's for shorter stays basically. So the Hyatt House has got bigger rooms and more amenities. So you've got kitchens in the Hyatt House. Yeah, loads of parking. Right, let's go back to the lobby. So, in fairness, either location is good if you go into the cruise terminal like we are. So we're travelling on the Disney Dream. Either place would do for the overnight stay. I think this one is slightly cheaper than the Hyatt House. But rooms-wise, they are spacious. And you get your sofa bed, mini fridge, coffee, tea maker, 42-inch TV. So the same as the Hyatt House, they do a free airport shuttle, obviously at scheduled times. There should be a screen inside, I'll show you that. They do offer a shuttle to the cruise terminal, but you have to pay for that. Right, so as you're coming through the lobby, you've got the check-in desk on the left, right in front here. And this is the screen I was just talking about. So as you can see, there's times on there for the airport shuttle runs. Got a bit of a seating area here. ATM machine. Computer there if you need to get on the internet with a printer by the looks of things. Right, so through here is going to be where they serve the breakfasts, which is a free breakfast daily. Some seating through here. It's only small. We've got a small bar and cafe. Oh, serving Starbucks. We've got a small gym there. There's someone in it. So back out of that door, take you to the car park. I think that door there will take you to the pool, I think. Just nip upstairs. So 6 floors. Ice machine there. As you can see from the map, it's not a very big hotel. We've got a laundry room there. Right, back downstairs. I thought we would have been able to get a view to the pool, but alas. So we're out at the back of the hotel now. So listen, it's not, you're not going to get all the bells and whistles at this place, but it's doable. It's a clean hotel. It's close to the port. It's cheap. It's got what you need for one night. It's close to all the restaurants. There's a Panda Express across the road, so it's ideal, really. Yeah. Right, so we're nearly back at the front now. So this is the pool. Only small. But good enough for one evening. But I think that'll do it. So as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.